Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out the best method to use Cash App for long-term savings. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now, the best method to use Cash App for long-term savings is controlled exposure and discipline. Cash App is best suited for temporary holdings, not permanent storage of large savings. Keep only short-term goals or sinking funds in the app, and transfer long-term savings to a traditional bank or savings account. Automate transfers mentally by moving a fixed amount out whenever income arrives. Enable security features to prevent impulse spendings. Be sure to treat Cash App as a pass-through and not a vault. This method protects savings while still allowing flexibility and quick access when needed. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.